everyone, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad to have you back in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make gnocchi. Gnocchi is one of my favorite classic Italian dishes made with potatoes. To make this gnocchi recipe, you're going to start by peeling 4 large russet potatoes. Once you're done peeling the potato, you can cut into half and place in a bowl of cold water. When you're done peeling all the potatoes, you can rinse them into a pot of cold water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 bay leaf. Cover the pot and place on the stove top to boil. Once the potatoes are fork tender, strain the potatoes and leave it to drain in the sink until all the water is out. Transfer the boiled potatoes to a bowl. Use a spoon or your potato masher to mash the potato into a paste. And once the mashed potato is cool enough to be handled, you can transfer it to your work surface. Use a spatula to make a well in the middle. Grate in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of salt, and also crack in 1 large egg. Use a fork to beat the egg lightly while it's on the potato. And once you're done, use your bench scraper to mix everything together until everything is well incorporated. So I first added 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and I'm going in with the remaining 1/2 cup. And I'm just going to continue mixing these until it's well combined. You can now drop the pastry scraper and use your hand to knead the potato and the flour mixture. If the mixture appears really sticky, you can add a little bit of flour to it and continue mixing. Do not overmix this, you just want everything to come together, and do not add too much flour to it. Once you have done that, you can split the dough into several workable pieces. Roll each piece into about 1/2 inch thick rope-like logs. And further cut them into smaller pieces. While you're working on the dough, if it feels really sticky, you can sprinkle a little bit of the flour over it to enable you handle them properly. And once you're done, you can choose to use a fork to design the surface. So this is just the easiest way for me. I'm just going to use my fork to create some marks on the surface. Once you're done with this process, you can go ahead and sprinkle your gnocchi with a little bit of flour to prevent them from sticking. Use the bench scraper to push them into a tray and set aside. Next, you're going to place a large pot of water on the stove top. Add some salt to it, about 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. And once it has come to a boil, you can add a reasonable amount of gnocchi to the boiling water. Cook the gnocchi for about 2 to 3 minutes, and once they have come to the top of the water, they are ready. You can use a slotted spoon or a frying spoon to take them out of the water and drain. Repeat this with the next batch until you are done. I like to make a simple sauce for my gnocchi, so I'm just going to place a pan on the stove top and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, go in with 2 minced garlic cloves. Saute the garlic for a minute or until fragrant. Next, go in with 1 cup of marinara sauce. You can use any of your favorite sauce such as pesto sauce. And just because my sauce is really thick, I'm just going to dilute it with half cup of water. Cook the sauce on medium heat for 2 minutes and then bring in your gnocchi. Stir it gently and make sure the sauce coats with all the gnocchi. Garnish your gnocchi with some freshly chopped herbs. So I'm just garnishing this with freshly chopped oregano. Gently stir this again and turn off the stove. And your gnocchi is ready. If you like, you can add some more greens to this. This is quite easy to make and I love it. I hope you try this out soon and let me know what you think about it. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. You can share it with your friends. And please, if you're just watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you'll be notified whenever new videos are uploaded. Until next time guys, I really love to see you again. Bye for now.